Oh, welcome to a very hot and sweaty, ADHD Customs. This is just an update video, really. What's going on with the workshop? Let me show you what's going on here. Right, what we've got going on in here is roof's all done. All the sides are on. There's crap everywhere still. All the sides are on. Remember, I wanted to keep this rustic, like, you know, use what you've got to make stuff, if that makes sense. Here, on the back here, got an old mid-century table. I've got an old mid-century antique thing there that I've screwed to the table. That's really strong. It's solid. I'm using, to keep in with the vibe of the, you know, using bits and bobs stuff, I'm using different patchwork pieces of wood that I had laying out in the back garden for ages. It's still pretty strong now. It's like marine ply. So there, I've got another bit to put up there. I'm doing all patchwork, different pieces, and then I'm going to fill the bits in there. I want it to look like it's been made out of all bits and bobs, you know, which is basically what it has. So let's go out and have a look from outside. So here we go. In here, we're going in. Loads of crap everywhere. Roof sides. Oh, this, my mate gave me this. This is a big, massive LED thing going down there. I would show you it on, but my girlfriend is currently using the extension cord that I use in here for electric to mow the lawn in the garden. So anyway, just starting to do some decorative bits in here now. Big, strong table. That thing's solid as hell. Got this big unit here screwed to the table. I'm going to start keeping some bits on. It still gives me a big area to work on. I got this at the car boot sale today for £5. All the drawers are in it. Thought that was a good find. Put all my bits and bobs in. So yeah, I'm getting there. There's a lot of stuff still to do in here, but that was what I'm doing today. I might do a video tomorrow on something car related, but we'll see. I'm still waiting for some spaces for the B3 Passat. I ordered some and they sent the wrong PDC, so I'm waiting for some new ones to turn up. Got some other stuff coming up for the B3 as well. Not sure if it will turn up tomorrow in time for me to make a video about it, but anyway, there we go. Also, I want to do a shout out right now to the bloke that went into my girlfriend's shop to say to me, to basically to say hi to me and to tell me to keep doing what I'm doing on here. I really appreciate it. You know who you are. You recognise the B3 Passat outside the shop. On that day, I was actually off with my dad, helping him out doing some stuff in Newcastle. But, yeah, my girlfriend borrowed my car. You popped into the shop to say hi to me, and you told my girlfriend that you enjoy my content and to keep doing what I'm doing, and it's people like you that make me keep doing what I'm doing. So I just want to say big thank you to you. She didn't get your name apparently, so that's a shame. I could have given you a proper shout out, but you know you are. Thank you, mate. I really, really appreciate that. It made my day. So happy days. Right. Anyway. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Not a lot really is going down. Well, I say not a lot, I don't know why I'm saying that. Quite a lot's going down. I'm still building my patchwork workshop. I've got areas to put tools and stuff now. My vehicles are out here. This thing is just not running. We thought it might have run out of petrol. There was a poof of electrical smoke come out the engine. It's just a nightmare to work on. That's my girlfriend's car. I'm not bothered about it. Here's my baby here. I don't know if I've shown anybody it with the smaller tyres on. So yeah, basically as you saw in one of the other videos when I got the wheels, the tyres were way too big and they were rubbing like hell on the arches. So I took it to tyre place to get 4 new tyres. I got 195 45 16s put on, and as you can see it sits so much nicer, a little bit lower, no rubbing at all. All I need now is some spaces to bring them out to the arches, which I've already ordered and we're just waiting on. There you go. But as you can see, it needs wheel spaces badly now. Look at that. This thing, I still need to do the gearbox oil seal on it, and then it can be MOT'd, 2 rear tyres. So yeah, that is what's happening right now. Back in the workshop we go. Just to say, yes, it is coming along. Next thing is a clear out. This is all my girlfriend's furniture she's got in here for some reason, but there is crap everywhere. T4 lights, Bits of crud everywhere. Engine for the T4 that I bought for some reason. Yeah. Anyway, a quick update today, telling you what's going on. I'm going to carry on making a patchwork workshop that looks rustic and ADHD custom style. So anyway, cheers for watching, peeps. See you in the next one, which is going to be about whatever I decide to do it about. So.